All right, so how you guys doing? So today I need to replace a fender. This fender right here on the BMW scooter. This section here, somehow the tabs broken here. I silicone that so that it would give it a little bit of strength. It's a good timber fence, so you can see right here there's a crack. It's cracking across. So I think I'm gonna have to take this off to get to here. Might have to take something like that off, and well, anyway, we'll hopefully this doesn't take too long. Never done it before. Here's the new one. You can see it's got the tabs there on the top and a couple screws on the inside. So yeah, the bike, it's like the first or second day I had it, I let my dad take it and for a spin, and accidents happen and it fell over, and I believe that's when all the damage happened to that, because I haven't done anything else to it. So let's get started on that, and let's see if we can get this project done quickly. All right, so you can see the piece that's broken on here. It broke every one of these tabs. This is when the bike fell over. Everything's broken. One thing I didn't realize is I'm gonna have to take this piece off and put it on the new one. So So these tabs right here, they do not go back in together easy. So little lubricant, take a little Windex, squirt in there, and it'll dry out a little bit. Tip, make it go in easier, and it'll dry out, and don't worry about it. So when you're putting this piece back together, anytime you got like a little tab or like that pushes into some, put a little Windex in it, let it dry, and you're good to go. It goes in easy, it dries, and you don't have to worry about it. Otherwise you're forcing it, and you don't want to force nothing to break something. Got all back together. It was fairly easier than I thought it was going to be. Just remember, put your screws, don't over tighten them, because it is plastic you're tightening into. But you see I got it all back together. Looks good. And that Windex helped tremendously. Oh, and just in case, another tip you guys ought to know is I made a mistake in killing the scooter one time with a kickstand, and it made the belt squeal for like, heck, I don't know, like 1,000 miles or something before. Every time you go to take off, it just squealed a little bit. But now it's finally worked that out. The belt, I guess, put a skid mark on the pulley or something, I'm not sure. Anyway, don't ever kill your scooter with a kickstand. Use the key or the kill switch. I did it just to see if it'd do it, and it does, but not a good thing to do. So little quick fender change. Hey, it looks complicated, but it's not. You get those right tools, and you can do it. Save you some money on mechanic costs from having BMW. BMW expensive. So, but you know what? You can do a lot of stuff yourself. It's not too hard. And hey, thanks for watching, and make somebody smile today. I was in here editing the video for the scooter fender replacement. Realized that the part where I talked about the tools was corrupted. So those little plastic tools that I used are actually, you get them off of Amazon, and they're for taking the panels off of the inside of a car door without scratching them up. So they're plastic, don't scratch stuff up. It's perfect, and they were great for working on the scooters, popping out the plastic parts and not scratching it up. So they're worth their money. So, and they're not very much. They're on Amazon. Have a good day.